Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your legal standing and preparing documentation. Start now. Pull your court order, bond papers, and any monitoring agreement. Once done, call your assigned officer or pretrial services and state that you need clarification about termination or modification of monitoring. Make sure to note names and times of calls. Explain why removal is appropriate now, compliance, completed requirements, medical reasons, or changed supervision terms, and ask what formal steps they require so you can follow them immediately and avoid misunderstandings. Once you have documents and a point of contact, pursue a formal modification through the court. Draft or request a motion to modify or terminate the electronic monitoring that lists reasons and attaches supporting evidence like program completion, medical notes, or new employment verification. Make sure to file it with the court clerk and properly serve it to the prosecutor and supervising agent per local rules. Attend any hearing scheduled. Be prepared to explain compliance, safety plans, or alternatives, such as increased reporting or ankle bracelet relocation. Do not attempt physical removal yourself. Wait for explicit written authorization from the court or supervising officer. Once you receive an order, schedule an authorized technician or agency representative to remove and inspect the device, and obtain a receipt or certificate showing the device was returned intact. If officials delay or you encounter compliance issues, document times and communications, notify your attorney immediately, and consider filing an emergency motion. Following legal channels protects you from contempt, new charges, or device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.